Today we're doing a versatile Mexican condiment, Pico de Gallo, here in Vince's kitchen.
Pico de Gallo, real simple. There's only 5 ingredients that we need to add. It's basically diced jalapenos. In this case, though, I'm using 3 serrano chilies. 3 jalapenos are typically what they would put in Pico de Gallo, but because I had serranos available, I went ahead and diced them up. And I've got instructions on how to do that, and I'll put that in the description below in another video. Got diced onions, white onions. Again, I'll put the description down below. Coarse chopped cilantro. And diced tomatoes. I went ahead and pulled the stems out and also removed all of the innards, the seeds, and the membrane. The tomato doesn't... or those juices sog the Pico de Gallo. And then my little addition, of course, my favorite, 3 cloves of minced garlic. Gotta have the garlic. I love garlic. So we're gonna go ahead and combine these ingredients. We'll go ahead and start with the tomatoes. Get that in there. Get the serranos in there. Get the onions in there, and then we'll get the cilantro in there. So that's the big 4 right there, and then we'll go ahead and add our garlic. Now I'm making a lot here because this is actually going to go in a ceviche recipe, and I'll put a link in the description as well. So we got our garlic, we got everything in there. Let's go ahead and just get this all folded in. Get that all nice and mixed together. Get all the green, the white, the red. Now, where would you use Pico de Gallo? Well, for me specifically, I'm going to use this in a ceviche recipe that I'm preparing on Super Bowl Sunday here. So we're gonna get that all together, and then we're gonna make a really nice serving of ceviche. But I also like Pico de Gallo in carne asada burrito. When I go to any Mexican restaurant or Mexican drive-thru, it's a carne asada burrito, no beans, no rice, Pico de Gallo, and guacamole. That's pretty much my carne asada burrito. So you can salt it, pepper it to taste, but because this is actually going into a ceviche, we're going to be doing that with the ceviche. But that's it, Pico de Gallo. Really quick condiment that works.
Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And as always, thanks for coming to my party. Love you, mean it.